Elon Musk just revealed Tesla's upcoming truck. The Tesla Cybertruck is the automaker's vulnerability to electric pickups and absolute units. Here's everything we need to know about the Tesla Cybertruck: release date, features, range, specs, accessories, and more. But before we move forward in the video, make sure to subscribe for more content and like this video for receiving similar suggestions from YouTube. Also, we highly appreciate your comments. Now let's get started. Tesla Cybertruck launch window. Tesla originally started producing the Cybertruck in late 2021, but then pushed the deadline to sometime in late 2022. However, recent reports suggested it could be pushed to early 2023. This is apparently due to the removal of the Tesla 2022 launch window from the Cybertruck order page. Early delays are due to supply chain issues affecting the auto industry on a large scale. Elon Musk said Tesla couldn't make enough 4,680 batteries for the Cybertruck, while the steel frame required for the development of a new foundry engine. Tesla, meanwhile, has been open about its priorities, saying it won't start producing the Cybertruck until the Texas Gigafactory begins production of the new Model Y. Unfortunately, that hasn't happened, and the Cybertruck's status is still unknown. Meanwhile, a new report claims a smaller version of the truck could launch in March, though it's unclear if it will differ from the original Cybertruck model. Unfortunately, we don't know when the Cybertruck will finally arrive and what the delay and the launch of a new 4-engine model will mean for the production schedule of the dual-engine and single-engine models. Tesla Cybertruck design. The Tesla Cybertruck has 6 seats and is equipped with a 6.5-foot bed they call the Cybertruck Vault. The top is closed but opens when it should go into something higher than the vault roof. The design is certainly futuristic, perhaps more so than any concept car that has really hit the road in recent history. However, Tesla is unlikely to drastically change the design before shipping the truck, so if you book this ahead of time, it's probably pretty close to reality. Cybertrucks are known to have Tesla armor glass designed to protect windows from even the fiercest enemies with heavy objects. When opened, the glass shattered, but Elon said it was because the glass broke before the presentation and was not the fault of the glass. Thanks to a newly filed design patent, we already know where the big impact for the Cybertruck is coming from: the Cybertruck production facility. Curious about a smaller Cybertruck that would be better suited to the other non-US markets? Then you should know that Elon has announced that it is very likely to build a smaller Cybertruck for Europe. This model is unlikely to be co-produced with the full-size model in Texas for obvious reasons. When the smaller Cybertruck appears, it will most likely be built at another Tesla factory under construction, the Giga Berlin. Tesla has also opened reservations for Cybertruck in China, and with broader encouragement from local manufacturing companies, the company may also produce Cybertruck inventory there in the future. However, it remains to be seen if there's demand. How much does a Tesla Cybertruck cost? During an event in Los Angeles, the Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the new Cybertruck will start at $39,900 pre-stimulus, but there will be 2 other AWD options priced at $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. Additionally, Tesla has started rolling out beta V10 of its full self-management capabilities. Cybertruck customers can now add FSD features for an additional $10,000. According to reports, most of the pre-orders opted for the dual-engine and triple-engine versions. Only about 17% of pre-orders are for the single-engine model, which is expected to be available first. Tesla recently removed all Cybertruck prices and specs from its website, so the prices listed above are bound to change. Why is Cybertruck so cheap? The smart design choice Tesla made to make the Cybertruck cheap to manufacture. At $39,900, the Tesla Cybertruck retails for the same price as the Tesla Model 3, a much smaller car. The price is also very competitive compared to traditional IC trucks. But is it really that cheap? Electric cars tend to be more expensive than internal combustion engine cars because batteries are very expensive to manufacture. In the long run, however, electric cars are often cheaper because electricity is much cheaper than gasoline and electric vehicles require far less maintenance. Here's the crazy thing about the Cybertruck. Not only does it have a lower cost of ownership, but the sticker price in stores is also lower than the typical fossil fuel truck price. How do they do it? Before we answer the question, we need to address some of the popular claims that the Cybertruck isn't cheap at all. When we make comparisons, we must compare apples to apples. The cheapest Ford F-150, which Tesla is trying to compare, has a lower entry price. However, this is deceptive. The cheapest Ford F-150 starts at around $29,000, so it might seem like $10,000 cheaper at first glance. But this truck can only seat 2 to 3 passengers. The length of the bed behind the truck is also only 5.5 meters. The Cybertruck, on the other hand, is equipped with a 6.5-foot long vault or bed and can comfortably accommodate 6 people. Yes, those who have ridden the Cybertruck realize how vast it is inside. Much of this is due to the use of a unibody outer frame rather than the frame design used by Ford. To really compare, you'd have to adjust Ford's base $29,000 configuration to have the same size bed and fit 6 passengers. Once you do, the Ford F-150 costs $36,300. And we're not even done for now, as the Tesla Cybertruck comes standard with autopilot, built-in air compressor, 110 220 volt outlet, adjustable air suspension, and a built-in safety cover that slides up and down automatically. Finally, we have a built-in ramp. Add all that up and you quickly surpass the Cybertruck starting price. So, we can agree that this truck, if delivered by Tesla, is a very worthwhile proposition. Tesla is good at using the design aesthetic to its advantage. A quirky look will usually cost you more, but Tesla's simple and clean interior is a lot cheaper to build. It is much cheaper than leather and other expensive materials commonly used in cars. Holding onto a large screen also drastically reduces complexity and cost. We think touchscreens are sophisticated but not too expensive to manufacture. A dashboard full of buttons, knobs, and tools will cost a lot more. Another expensive part of producing cars is painting. Cars usually need varnish because otherwise their mild steel appearance will rust to pieces. However, stainless steel does not rust and it is difficult to paint. Tesla only has the disadvantages of stainless steel, such as difficult formability in painting, adopted to create real advantages, such as a tough, cheap, and strong body. While stainless steel is not the cheapest metal, it is still much cheaper than aluminum. What range does the Tesla Cybertruck have? 3 versions of the Tesla Cybertruck will be available with different battery and powertrain configuration. The single-engine version will offer a range of over 250 miles. The twin-engine all-wheel drive version will cover 300 plus miles, and the 3-engine all-wheel drive version will cover 500 plus miles. In a recent patent filing by Tesla for the Cybertruck user interface system, all sample photos show an available range of 610 miles, demonstrating the potential for a longer range for electric vehicles. This hasn't been confirmed by Tesla, but it's not far-fetched to think it could be achieved with the 3-motor option. Tesla picked Samsung over TSMC. The anticipated partnership between Samsung and Tesla comes amid reports in Taiwanese media that Tesla is working with TSMC, the world's largest foundry chip maker, on its HW 4.0 chips. However, according to sources, Tesla has decided to work with Samsung to provide the next generation autopilot chip after considering factors such as production cost, long-term collaboration, and the availability of Samsung technology in Tesla when developing its own chips. Back in 2016, the American EV giant began building a team of chip architects to develop its own silicon and design efficient self-driving chips. Industry officials say Samsung's increased partnership with Tesla will strengthen its presence in the global foundry market as the U.S. company seeks to expand its lineup of fully autonomous electric vehicles. Tesla plans to unveil its all-electric Cybertruck pickup by the end of 2022 and has already received 1.2 million units in pre-orders. The HW 4.0 computer is expected to be installed in the Tesla Cybertruck. Several automakers are poised to offer electric pickups in the coming years, in keeping with the Biden administration's requirement that half of the new cars sold in the U.S. market must be electric by 2030. Tesla primarily uses smart design to create trucks with unique looks that are inexpensive to manufacture and have superior performance and features. This is the meaning of the word good design. Bad design is late thinking, something added to make a product that engineers have created look great. In this case, we can see how great design thinking has added tremendous value at every step. So are you all excited for Tesla's Cybertruck? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more similar content.